Hello traders, good evening. This is Ali Abbas from the Stock Monger. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do like, share, and subscribe to the content, and we'll get started right away. Today was it was a fairly easy day for me. Just that the profit over here is showing us 5,400, but there were some positions that I closed in a loss, so that took out about I think 1,500 rupees more from this profit. Bajaj Auto was a scare. I frankly don't know what went wrong in measuring the trade because I had shorted it at 46.44 and it popped up twice and then it came back to 46.44 again. And again, when it surged, I thought, okay, this is where the breakout is happening, but it was a false breakout and I closed it in a loss. Otherwise, my profit would have been around 7,000. Anyway, that being said, it was an easy day. What happened in the starting? I'll just take you to the Bank Nifty map here. Expiries are very difficult to trade if you are in the buying side because you don't know when the theta decay will happen and what goes wrong. So I bought a call over here once this touched the red line. I bought a call and I booked it very early. 20% was the returns on that. And the Bank Nifty future chart that I was looking at over here. Once this broke out before the green crossed the red, I knew this was a buying and I bought it. I bought it actually over here and the dip scared me a bit, but I held on and it was a very good reversal. It came till here and then it dragged up till here, and this is where I started trailing. When I trailed it, this down spike, it came and knocked me out. So 20% was the options booking that I did in that trade. Bajaj, yes, Bajaj was the very difficult one today. What happened here was I just followed my indicators where SAR crosses VWAP, as you can see right over here, and I waited for a good entry. I entered over here. This spike almost hit my stop loss, but I waited. I said, no, there's something wrong. And I was right. It came back down. It took support. And then again, it just dilly-dallied over here. 46.44. This was the area. This was the line where I entered a short for and I was looking for a U-turn. But generally what happens, see, when there is a huge buying volume and the candles tend to stay above that range, then there's very rare a chance that it will come down. I still tried my luck and I was unlucky. And over here is where it again hit my cost to cost point, and in this spike I thought, okay, it broke this swing. I thought it's going to break this, and why should I wait for the loss to expand and see what happens? Exactly, makes a U-turn and comes back to my cost to cost. So bada dhoka tha wo, and it's part of the game, it happens. It's okay. I failed to take advantage of this put. This would have been a beautiful expansion. 20, no, a put value of 16 went to 140. So almost 10x. So yeah, this was a good chance to make some money over there. But I was done. I tried shorting calls, which decayed from 30 to 0. I booked that twice. And one put that I shorted at 30, I squared it off at 80, 50 points loss. So 30 ka call profit made 60 points for me, but then the put that I shorted, it went from 30 to 80, and 80 is where I squared it off. Not a problem. The profits are very decent. Again, today my target is usually 5,000 plus in a day. I'll be growing from there, but I want to just keep this as a benchmark. So somewhere around 4,000 is the profit closing today. And tomorrow being a Friday, I am looking at some positions that I've taken where I have sold all the calls above this range over here, above 44,200. So any call spikes that happens tomorrow or before Tuesday Fin Nifty expiry, I'll be adding more on the upper side because I do not now I do not see a rally coming through. There is a sell-off coming and there are some gaps to close. If the market is already closed below this low of 43,850, so if it opens gap down and then it breaks the low of 43,600, then we can see a very good directional move. So that's my take on the market, and I will be taking out a video this weekend on the equities that I have traded on my website stockmonger.in, and I will share how many, around 30 plus stocks have closed in 5% or more. That was a project, and another project is coming out. Please do look out for that. It is the Paisa Double project. So we'll be looking to turn 5 lakhs into 10 lakhs, and we'll see how we can do it in the fastest time. So please stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.